Okay, today, as I explained in previous video, we're going to try to get PFSense up and running and connect with the Azure VPN gateway and see whether we can connect. So I got the PFSense here. I will show you some detailed settings. PFSense installing PFSense is similar as whatever I have done with the OpenSense. You can check in the OpenSense installation videos if you want PFSense get it installed. So I'm just opening settings. So I've got 2 GB memory, processor 1, and hard disk is 20 GB. And then I have downloaded Netgate. Now on that PFSense Netgate version 1.0 RC ISO image, 2024 919 ISO. That is the image I've been using. So I've got two network adapters. One is bridge to my laptop bridge connection. The second one is 172.16.10 range. That is only host only. It cannot go to internet. So that this one act as a LAN side of the firewall. This one is a WAN side of the firewall, right? We just going to power on this virtual machine. Let's see how it comes up. And also, I've got the Windows 10 PC. That is in the same 172 network. It's going to see that it's only in a host range. So it's going to go through all these connections through the firewall. Uh, it gets an IP address from firewall's DHCP server. All right, let's see. This is coming up. So this is the machine we're probably going to try to connect to on this machine through the firewall. We try to connect to Azure, one of the virtual machine in Azure's VNet. I'm just getting ready with my all right. So I created my resources. Will show you that resources are the as my previous videos. Only thing is the less resources this time is only I created 1 VNet. Uh, so this is 1 VNet, and then my on-premises local network gateway, and then my VPN gateway, and then got a public IP address. That's all I got for the moment. And in a VNet one, you got 3 subnets. There's no virtual machines in there yet. All right. So last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a connection. That's the last thing that have to open. So what this is, so I just have to open one of my other routing. So I'm going to create a connection. That's the last one. So where the connection. So this is the connection, right? On premises to VPN connection, right? That's the thing I forgot. Okay, so paste. That will create connection between this one, right? So we go back into VMware workstation. So see that this is all similar. So LAN is 172.16.10.100. That's a LAN IP. So WAN is bridge through DHCP to get IP address from my home network range, that is 0.192.168.0 range, right? Okay, so I'll go 172.16.10.100. That will open my 172.16.10.100. One second, this is 100. All right. So this is my, okay, so I'm going to sign in. Sign in. All right. So this is when I sign in. I can see the firewall. So this is when 192.168.0.34, which DHCP will get. This is static IP address, LAN range 172.16.10.100. That is the IP address. All right, let me go and have a look. I just want to get one thing. My VPN gateway. I want to get public IP address of the gateway. It's because of a connection also created. Let's get public IP address. See this my public IP address. If it's public IP address, that is what we can use to create the tunnel. IPsec, right? Okay, so just get it copied. I'm logging in now. See that? This is a basic configuration. So interfaces, got WAN, LAN, and not much in there, right? Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the connection. So go to VPN, go to IPsec, right? So just going to add connection first, right? So go and add. All right. So what do you call this one? To Azure. Okay. On-prem to Azure, right? IKEV2 Internet Protocol is version 4. Interface WAN. So this is where I had to put a remote gateway IP address. That is Azure IP address, right? The remote gateway, right? And this is pre-shared key. Right? Leave this one as it is. Pre-shared key. It get pre-shared key. That is this one, right? Okay, so copy. Pre-shared key. Okay, so let's put it in. AEA, right? This one, we're going to use TH group 2, 1024-bit algorithm, right? So just going to leave these ones as it is. Everything else as it is, right? Not much the other options. So going to save this one. All right. Apply changes. Okay, now I'm going to do phase 2 entry. At phase 2, right? This is tunnel details, right? IPsec tunnel, Azure, on-prem to Azure. Let's put on-prem to Azure. On-prem to Azure, right? Princess to Azure, route tunnel, IVP4, right? LAN subnet, the local subnet, right? And then remote network, LAN subnet, already selected LAN subnet, right? And then remote network, just going to put 10.0. This is one. We'll go to 16. This covers all of 10 dot. So ESP, right? Security payload. So leave this one too as it is. right? And leave the other ones as it is, right? And leave these ones as it is. So go and save, right? Okay, so apply changes. All right. So the both are done now, right? See that? Page 2 entry and page 1 entry, right? And now go status, right? Go to IPsec here. All right, so here you got all the details, right? I'm going to say connect P1 and P2. All right, so it says establish, right? So see that being established the connection, 8 seconds, right? Okay, so we can see the details, all the details here, right? All right, now let's see whether we can find out something, right? Okay, I'm going to go here, right? Go to home, right? Go to virtual machine. I'm going to create a Windows virtual machine from one of these subnets, right? Okay, so go create a virtual machine, right? Okay, so it's very take a little while. Okay, so loading. Okay, so uh, let's say VM1, virtual machine 1, password are not required. I'm going to use the Windows. Okay, Windows. We also and only allowed to use some devices. See that B series, B2, select that one. I'm going to select username, Azure user, right? Let's say password. Okay, so we open this one. Let's go to next disk. Let's see. Next, I'm going to select what you want. Let's do this one subnet or to this one subnet to, right? And I'm going to disable public IP, so there's no public IP, right? Go next, and then create. This one is connected. Oh, that's good. Try to hit create. Okay, right. Let's get this one created. I'm going to go to VMware, and I've got Windows 10 PC here, getting power on. This is the one in on premises. It go through a PFSense firewall. So you get DHCP IP addresses from PFSense. So if you have a look on PFSense services, DHCP server, so see that this range, getting IP addresses from this range, right? Let's have a look at status DHCP leases. All right. Yes, not sure anything. That's fine. Let's go status, IPsec, connected. All right, connected. All right, let's go and have a look for machine. All right, machine already got internet. So let's have a look. Let's log in. All right, so welcome. Why is cleaner? Going to go back into Azure. Go to resources. So this machine. Let's check what is the IP address of this machine. All right, so okay, that's in the VNet 1, subnet 2. So I did this 10.0.1.4. See that? There's no public IP, there's 10.0.1.4. 10.0.1.4. Okay, so this one is up, right? I will show you what sort of IP range this one got. See, be right? Just slow. Machine is slow. Yes, so okay, so IP on the forward, right? All right, so we can see 50, 255, default gateway, everything is there, right? Going through the firewall. Okay, all right, so let's see whether we can connect to this one 10.0.1.4, 10.0.1.4. Yeah, GP 10.0.1.4. So that's yeah. This is coming up, right? Should I use it? Let's see whether we can get it connected. That's right. We are here. See that? I can go into that through that tunnel, right? I don't know whether we can ping this one back. I go to ping enabled or not, but let's try. Ping 172.16.10.150. Or can't ping. I don't think it is that. They allow you to ping unless you allow it, right? Even so, we are in that machine, right? But I don't think ping is working here, but let's see. See indeed. I don't think ping is working because I had enabled it. It ping 10.0.1.4. Yeah, no, can't ping. Ping is not enabled. So let's try what we're going to do. So see that this one, if you haven't do it, let's go into our resources, right? And I'm going to go to my VPN gateway, right? And go to connections. You should see it's connected. See that? It says connected, right? Connections, right? Logs. I don't know what it gets into logs, I'm not sure. It's a cost of origin range. Right. Yeah, I'm not sure. So is the connection. We need to right. Right. With that it says connected. So look at the data on and off, right? See on premises gateway goes to this one. Let's see. I can show you something. See, indeed, not sure. Uh, let's see. PRACPRT raised out 10.0.1.4. Let's have a look what is going to say. Okay. So this one goes to PFSense 100, right? Request timeout. Maybe firewall doesn't allow to see, but you can see it's going to. You can connect it. Don't know. It's not coming out here. Doesn't show you actually a path. I don't think. Right? Yeah, I don't think this will work. Anyway, uh, so see that packets are going through, right? So leaders, OVU, right? Diagnostic command prompt, try route. I don't know if it's working or not. Right? And uh, 0.1.4. So yeah, so C plus, let's say land, try route. Some demand doesn't work. I don't know why. Anyway, we'll forget about trace route, but we can test port, right? Okay, port 10.0.1.4, right? Port to test, right? 3389. That's our uh, source port. Left. Let's go test. Connection failed. Let me try the source data, selecting from source data. Okay. LAN. Yeah. See that? So the LAN successful. What about WAN? Connection failed. So if you go for LAN, it's going to work, right? All right. So if you go here, IPsec You can see this one is already connected, right? The phase 1 and phase 2 tunnel in the connection status. Mhm. So actually, yeah, uh, uh, if you want to get the pin working, I can add the network security rule for this one. But, anyway, we connected that one. So I think this is how we use a firewall to get it connected to uh, IPsec tunnel from on premises to that. So you can see that's working as a site-to-site connection, right? All right. This is for today's video. We'll see you from next video. Thank you.